welcome to the demo of Salesforce to Twilio integration using MuleSoft. So basically what I am doing in this project is I am fetching all the account names present in my Salesforce org into MuleSoft, and then through Twilio send SMS connector I am sending these account names as a text message to my phone number. So let's get started. I will walk you through all the configurations that I did in the Mule and will show you all the account that is needed to set up. Let's start with Twilio. So this is my Twilio homepage, and this number was auto generated, and this account SID is my username of this Twilio account, and this token is my password. So now let's go to MuleFlow and understand what's going on. So this is my MuleFlow. This is the Salesforce connector through which I am getting all the account names, and this is the query. As you can see here, select name from account, and let's move further. This is the transformer. I'm converting the payload into JSON format. Then there is a transformer again. So in this transformer, I'm sending the body, the account in the body, and the number from which I want to send, and the number to which I want to send. Let's move further. So ag- so again, this is the Twilio connector of send message. Here we need to configure the username and password, and the host port, the base path, and the protocol. So I have configured all the configurations. Now let's proceed further. And this is the JSON output we want in my phone number. So let's test this. Okay, so this application is being deployed to runtime manager of Anypoint Studio, Anypoint platform, sorry. And now I'll hit this URL and we'll wait for the response. So we got the response, and I'll paste the message that came from this account. I just received the message,